There is political tension in northeast St. Anne, where some Jamaica Labour Party supporters are expressing dissatisfaction with the Member of Parliament, Marsha Smith. The people staged a protest today, accusing the MP of being a poor leader. Shamela Pullen has that report.
It's a situation the JLP supporters believe requires the intervention of the party leader, Andrew Holness. It's been over a year since political newbie Marsha Smith was voted Member of Parliament for North East St. Anne, and the people say they are unhappy with her performance as MP, which is why they're calling for her resignation.
Marsha have to go! At time Marsha have to go! Anytime Marsha go there, Miss Robbie will rest! Marsha have to go! Me work for the party! We need her to go now!
The protesters argue that Ms. Smith has done very little for the constituency, which for years had been run by now deceased MP Shahini Robinson.
So I can tell you 9,000 plus people vote for this lady. And I can tell you she don't know 100 of the 9 plus by name, by her face. This lady, she don't come to the office anymore to talk to people. She don't move to the constituency. For the whole Christmas, from she came in a year and a half ago, we haven't seen what she done.
Look at the police station, deplorable condition. Roads are in deplorable condition. The hospital, deplorable condition. You're not meeting with the people. Month to month, there's no representation of Marsha Smith.
I tell you something further. She don't talk to three of the councillors. She don't talk to none of the three of the councillors. Only one she talk to, and it's one for the West Division.
They fear if she's not replaced, the seat will go to the People's National Party.
We have enough of Marsha Smith, and if you don't remove her, North East St. Anne will be turned over to the People's National Party.
They're the Prime Minister. Please, give North East St. Anne people a chance to choose for ourselves. Yes. Yes. Don't bring nobody come give us. Do it like the old time days. But we choose for ourselves. We bring it from far, Shine, bring it from far. Very, very far. And I'm telling you, we don't want to lose it like that, Andrew. So do something, please. I'm begging you.
TVJ News tried to reach Ms. Smith for a response to the concerns, but we have been unsuccessful. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, in a news release, the Jamaica Labour Party General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang says while the party accepts the right of its members to exercise their freedom of expression, there are internal mechanisms established in the Area Council and the JLP Secretariat to resolve disputes and disagreements that may arise in constituencies from time to time. The statement notes that the JLP Secretariat and the Area Council 3 have been mobilized to address the concerns of the supporters.